Hello everyone. From this video, we start our hands-on coding sessions in Java. Before we begin, if you wish to code along, you will need a computer and a Java compiler to write your code. Also, if you are not sure about a concept or syntax used in this program, you can always revisit our previous Java playlist in the channel. If you are ready, let's begin. Write a program to get two integers from user and find their sum, difference, product, quotient, and remainder. Display the output to the user. Let us start our code. Scanner class is used to get inputs from user during program execution. Scanner class is present in java.util package. Let us import that package. Import java.util.scanner. Do not forget to terminate it with a semicolon. Let's define a class. Public class main. Inside the class we have public static void main string arguments. Int a and b are the two integers that we are going to consider. Int addition, subtraction, multiplication, and modulus. These are the variables that will store our answer. Float division. We are taking it as float because division values may have decimals in them. Scanner. Any variable, suppose numbers, equals new scanner system.in. We can use the variable numbers now to get inputs and store them in these variables. Let us continue. System.out.println. Enter first number. This input will be stored in A. So A equals numbers dot next int. Let us get the second integer from the user. System.out.println. Enter second number. So this is stored in B. So B equals numbers dot next int. Now that we have the inputs taken from the user, let's perform computation. So addition equals A plus B. Subtraction can be stored as A minus B. Wait, what if A is smaller than B? In that case, we need to check which one is greater among A and B. So let's get back. Let's use a ternary operation. If A is greater than B, we will get answer as A minus B, or else the answer will be B minus A. Next, multiplication. A star B. And division is A by B. Modulus operation gives the remainder, so it can be found as A percentile B. Let us find how to display the output to the user. System.out.println. Sum equals plus add. Let us now print the output for difference, multiplication, division, and modulus. Let us try executing the code. Enter the first number, let it be 5. Second number, let it be 2. Sum is 7, difference is 3, product is 10, quotient is 2.0, and remainder is 1. With that, we have come to the end of this video. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Until then, signing off. Thank you for watching.